Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solution. I am Vijayshri. We are discussing the LBA KCET questions on the chapter solution. Let us look at the question number 53. The question says 0.15 molar calcium chloride lowers freezing point by 0.6138 Kelvin. Kf means cryoscopic constant, which is equal to 1.86. Degree of dissociation alpha is equal to question mark. Option A 0.52, sorry 0.2, and option B 0.4, option C 0.6, and option D 0.8. Okay, so what we are given here, first let us write the given data. What are the given things here? Molality is equal to 0.15 mole per kg, right? Then depression in freezing point, delta TF is equal to freezing point decreases by 0.6138 Kelvin anta, 0.6138 Kelvin. Then cryoscopic constant is given, which is equal to 1.86. So formula is depression in freezing point, delta TF is equal to I into KF into M. So I andre Van't Hoff factor irutte, that is total number of particles. KF means cryoscopic constant, M means molality, delta TF means depression in freezing point. Therefore I can be written as delta TF divided by KF into M anta bariಬಹುದಲ್ವಾ. So just substitute the value. Delta TF is 0.6138 divided by cryoscopic constant is 1.86 into molality is 0.15. So if you solve this, you will get the answer as, so numerator it will be 0.6138. Let us keep as it is. 1.86 into 0.15 means it will become 0.279. So if you solve this, you will get the answer I equal to, ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ I equal to, so approximately numerator denominator ಗಿಂತ 3 ಪಟ್ಟು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ, 2ಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ, approximately it is equal to 2.2 ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ 0.279 ones point, this is 1, this is 2.2. Okay, so therefore I equal to ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು 2.2 ಅಂತ ಆಯ್ತು, right? So if we calculate I, you will get 2.2. So for calcium chloride, how to write dissociation? Calcium chloride dissociated into 2 calcium 2 plus cations plus 2 chloride anions. Sorry, only one cation. Okay. Okay. Calcium 2 plus cations and 2 chloride anions. So total ions ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು? Total ions ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು? Which is equal to 3. Right, which is equal to 3 ಆಯ್ತು. So formula ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ? So there is one formula which gives the relation between Van't Hoff factor, degree of dissociation and N. So ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಇವಾಗ? Which is equal to N ಅಂತ ತಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ, so formula ಏನು? I equal to 1 plus N minus 1 into alpha ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಐ ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3 ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, -1 into ಆಲ್ಫಾ. So which is equal to 1 plus 2 alpha, which is equal to I, right? So I ಅಂದ್ರೆ exact ಆಗಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ 2.2 ಬಂದಿದೆ. So just substitute to the value of I. Therefore 2.2 which is equal to 1 plus 2 alpha. 1 plus 2 into alpha. 1 plus 2 into alpha. Two alpha. Okay. So rearrange this equation. Therefore 2 alpha can be written as 2.2 minus 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, which is equal to 1.2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So 2 alpha equal to 1.2. Therefore alpha equal to 1.2 divided by 2 ಆಗಿ, which is equal to 0.6 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay. So alpha, that is degree of dissociation alpha is equal to 0.6 ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay. Alpha value. So the right answer will be option C, 0.6. Okay. Option C, 0.6 will be the right answer here. Thank you.